Hey everybody, Mike Locascio. I'm here to talk to you about what I do, computer repair. If you need your computer fixed online, I provide that service, and you can contact me and I will remotely repair your computer, any software issue you have. I have over 20 years experience doing that. I have many customers. I've been doing that very regularly. I live in Melbourne, Florida, about 1 hour from Disney World, and I have people calling me or texting me to repair their computers, and my prices are very reasonable. I get a lot of people that are interested in remote repairs because there's a few good reasons for that. One, you don't have to unplug your computer and drive it to somebody's house or some business. You don't have to wait for it to be repaired. You just make an appointment with me, and that time I can repair it over the internet. I use a program called TeamViewer. It's a free program. All you have to do is get on TeamViewer, download it, give me the ID, give me the password. I put that in my version of TeamViewer, and then after that, I connect to your computer and I make the necessary changes. I repair it, and the computer's running a lot better. Payments are made through PayPal. I charge approximately $50 for 1 hour, and your computer will run a lot better. I do cleaning. If you don't do maintenance, I do the maintenance on your computer. I remove viruses on there. I remove any kind of spyware or pop-ups or browser problems you have. I can uninstall programs. I can install programs. And there's several things you can do over a remote connection. So you could live anywhere in the country. It doesn't matter where you live. And you can contact me and I can remotely repair your computer. My phone number is 321-557-0704. You can also go to my website and contact me through there. My website is mslcomputerservice.com, and my email is mslcomputerservice@yahoo.com. So there's several ways you can contact me, and you can email me or go to my website or text me and tell me the type of problems you're having, and then we can set up an appointment and I can do it for you. My availability is usually in the day, morning or day, sometimes at night or on the weekends. So just get in touch with me, and if you need your computer maintained every month, I can do that for you. If you have a business, you definitely rely on your computers to be faster. So I go in and I clean them out and I make them run faster. I change settings and do all kinds of things. So once again, my name is Michael Locascio. Thank you for visiting my YouTube channel. Make sure you subscribe and watch some of my other videos. You'll get a lot of tips out of there. I have several videos that teach people about computer repair. Also, like I said, contact me and like and share. And subscribe to my channel. That way you won't miss any videos coming up. I usually make a video every couple days, so you'll be notified if you subscribe and you won't miss anything, which is very good because I put videos out on all different subjects concerning Microsoft software, any Windows-based computer, and all different issues on Windows 10 and Windows 7 to speed your computer up, to do cleaning, and a lot of other things. And I also talk about my business on there, MSL Computer Service. So I look forward to working with you, and contact me. Again, my phone number is 321-557-0704. I'm on Eastern time, so you can contact me up until like 9 o'clock in the evening or as early as like 9 in the morning, and we can set something up. and I could clean your computer out and maintain it for you. And I am very professional and very reliable. And I have a lot of references. You can go to Google my business and type in MSL Computer Service, and you'll see my many referrals, what people are saying about me and my work. And that is Google my business. Check that out. I also have referrals on my website, all the way down on the bottom, and you can read the description and learn more about me and my background, and then that's will be a benefit to you. So once again, thank you for watching my video. This is Mike Locascio talking to you from Melbourne, Florida, MSL Computer Service. I'll see you in the next video.